In this video, we are going to show you how to add crop marks in CorelDRAW. Now, to do this, of course, you need to have something to crop, right? Or to adjust or set the crop marks to. So we have something here, right? So as you can see here, to do this, you need to have your pick tool, which is your default like arrow tool to just click on things, as funny as that sounds, right? So once you click on this to highlight, you want to look at the file at the top menu, like so. Click that, this pop-up will appear. You want to click on print preview, right? So click print preview like so, this pop-up will appear. By default, it's going to be at the position, right? So once you're here, it's going to be position. Click on marks, and then under marks, you want to click here. There's a crop marks option, like so. And then the marks to objects will also appear. So click that too, so that you're going to see the crop marks here on your print preview, as you can see here, right? That is pretty much how you add crop marks, right? Click OK. You won't see it here, but you will see it on your preview, right? So that's pretty much how it works. And yeah, pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.